Hey, welcome. I work out of a small space, 158 square foot shed. I use as my shop. Many things in my shop have to take on multiple purposes. A few weeks ago, I made this material stand out of scrap material, pipe, plank, etc. And it works great. But I'm finding I want a stool, so I'm going to modify this material stand into a stool and keep it, of course, as a material stand. So let me show let me show you how I do it. This worked out pretty well. Take a look at the playlist right here. This video is part of a series. It's a collaboration with some YouTube friends of mine. Go check it out and I'll see you there. Take care. Peace out.